Hey, Chef Marco Barbaro here from Gino's Trattoria, and with the holidays right around the corner, I want to do a great dish for you guys before we get too busy. So today, we're going to be doing Cavatelli with a spicy Calabrese style pork ragu. This is on one of our specials. This is something you can make for the holidays. It's a really great dish. I actually want to take it off special, but it sells so good that I just leave it on. So we're going to do it today. Extra virgin olive oil. Going to get started. Get the oil hot. The pan's already starting to get hot. And our base ingredients are all over here. We got onions, garlic, a little bit of carrots, sausage I took out of the casing, parsley, tomato sauce, Sunday tomato sauce ragu, or you can use marinara, whichever one you have. Store-bought, your own, white wine, and that's it. Very straightforward. And our cavatelli that I did pre-cooked, so to save some time. So here we go. Onion, the oil's getting hot. We're going to add some onions. We're going to add our carrots. You can even add some celery if you want. I would add celery. Add a little bit of garlic. Now we're going to add our sausage to this. This is a non-stick stainless steel pan. You guys can use, this is stainless steel, not non-stick. You guys can use non-stick if you want. I like to use all stainless steel. I don't like to work with non-stick. So this is a little harder to work with. We're going to put the sausage in and we're going to break it up. Alright? As we cook. Then as everything sautés, the garlic, once the garlic and onions are ready, we're going to deglaze it with white wine. Alright, so let me just show you that right now. So that's cooking nice. And we're going to keep breaking our sausage. This is very similar how we do the Cavatelli broccoli rabe sausage this too. Cooking the sausage and then we add the broccoli rabe later. If you need a little more oil, you can always add a touch more oil. So now the garlic is ready. And one trick is we're going to deglaze it with white wine. It'll stop the garlic from burning. Use any white wine, Pinot Grigio. Calabrese Chablis is really good because it's sweet. Once around, and that's why my wife doesn't want me cooking at home. But once around is a quarter cup. And the reason that happens is the high heat, the real intense high heat that I let it get to when I'm cooking the sausage. Alright, so we got everything right there. I'm going to turn it down and talk about it real quick. Now we're going to add our tomato sauce and a little chicken stock. When we're done, let me grab the chicken stock. I brought the homemade chicken stock from the restaurant. So we're going to add just a touch of parsley. We really don't need it because the tomato sauce marinara is spiced already with everything. So we're going to let this reduce down. And break up the sausage as much as you want, really small pieces. It's a great dish. And the way we make it spicy is red crushed pepper, which is used a lot in Italian cooking. Put that down. So we're going to add our tomato sauce. Now the trick is that's really thick. We're going to add a little chicken stock or vegetable stock to thin it out. Now we have it here. Once we thin it out, I'm going to let all these flavors combine. Now you can use red crushed pepper. You can use whole, just put over it, or I can grind it into it. You can even omit it if you don't like it spicy. Look how nice that is cooking up. I'm going to finish it off. Grab another saute pan. So we're going to toss in gnocchi and the cavatelli with it. Then we'll have our plate ready. right here. So we plated it once we tossed it. just warming up the sauce a little bit more. And reviewing real quick while this heats up, very simple. Extra virgin olive oil, garlic, onions, carrots. Let that saute with the sausage. You break up the sausage. When that garlic is ready, white wine, quarter cup around your store-bought homemade ragu Sunday sauce or marinara sauce, and you're done. Add a little chicken stock to thin it out, and then let it reduce and bring it back up to a thickness, or else. That's the trick I do in shrimp marinara. Show people, add the chicken stock, it thins it out, because some people in my cooking classes say, why does my shrimp marinara come too thick? Because you're just adding marinara, it's thick already, and it's thickening it even more as it cooks. So here it is. It's all ready. And look how awesome it looks.